Blue isn't just a color, it's a neurological reset button. Welcome to the Blue Art Tour, 3 iconic blue heavy masterpieces by Gogh, Kandinsky, and Monet. We'll discover how they activate circuits that reduce anxiety, sharpen awareness, and improve emotional balance. Hi, Marc Arginteanu here, your favorite neurosurgeon. Blue stimulates the Salience Network, connecting the insula with the cingulate cortex. This network acts as your brain's importance filter. It helps you process emotions and sensory input without being overwhelmed. Blue naturally lowers anxiety, boosts focus and productivity, and enhances memory formation. Take Gauguin's Woman with a Mango. It hangs at the Baltimore Museum of Art. Deep indigo shadows and cool ultramarine tones dominate the background and figure, creating an introspective, exotic mood. These moody blues envelop you in tranquility. Feel your anxiety melt as your SN comes online for better self-awareness and calm presence, especially in those awkward moments. Impressionistic brushstrokes meet the serene blue harmony in Claude Monet's Wisteria. It hangs at the Art Museum in The Hague. Monet's cool blues activate the SN for better emotional regulation, environmental awareness, and reduced stress, while boosting memory formation. The interplay of organic, fluid forms and serene blues helps your brain organize chaotic thoughts into coherent, peaceful structure. Next, let's look at Vasily Kandinsky's composition number 8, which hangs at the Guggenheim in New York. Cool blues weave through the geometric circles and lines, providing a rhythmic harmony amid dynamic energy. The serene blue tones promote emotional balance and environmental awareness, perfect for centering a racing mind. The SN activates and replaces nervous energy with productivity enhancement. Blue is your built-in anxiety antidote and awareness amplifier. Visit these paintings virtually or in person for an instant brain upgrade. Red doesn't just energize, it unlocks your inner genius. Welcome to the Red Art Tour. Let's dive into 3 red dominant masterpieces by Van Gogh, Renoir, and Delacroix. We'll explore the neuroscience of how they fuel creativity and aha moments. Hi, Marc Arginteanu here, your favorite neurosurgeon. The color red lights up the default mode network. This links the prefrontal cortex, the cingulate cortex, the parietal lobes, and the hippocampus. The DMN powers daydreaming and mind wandering, memory consolidation, imagining the future, and creative problem solving. A red color bath sparks inspiration and those sudden breakthroughs. Vibrant reds of passion and autumn warmth dominate Vincent van Gogh's The Red Vineyard, which hangs at the Pushkin Museum in Moscow. Bathe your brain with luxurious crimson leaves, sun-drenched wine tones, and chaotic scarlet energy. These intense reds supercharge the DMN, enhancing imagination, reminiscing, and forward-thinking creativity. By embracing this visual intensity, you stimulate the brain's ability to synthesize complex ideas and bold new visions. Let's move to a playful red that dominates Claude in clown costume at the Orangerie Museum in Paris. Renoir painted a portrait of his own son in a voluminous red costume. The reds are intense and modulation focused, shimmering with warm harmonies that create a sense of presence. By absorbing this red brain color bath, you steer the DMN toward creative problem solving and focused imagination. You engage the brain's ability to find joy in complex tasks and happiness in the epic negotiations of your daily life. Eugene Delacroix's The Death of Sardanapalus hangs at the Louvre. dramatic crimson fabric, blood reds, and chaotic scarlet drapery dominate this passionate romantic scene. The intense reds fuel turmoil and turn it into inspiration, supercharging the DMN for bold imagination and future forward-thinking insight. Red transforms passive viewing into active creation. Use these masterpieces when you need a fresh idea or a creative breakthrough. The secret to unbreakable focus isn't another productivity hack. It's a green-dominated art tour. Today, we're exploring powerful masterpieces by Van Gogh, Van Eyck, and Rousseau. 3 paintings that can restore mental clarity and wash away mental fatigue. Hi, Marc Arginteanu here, your favorite neurosurgeon. Neuroscience tells us that bathing your brain in the color green activates the Dorsal Attention Network. This key brain circuit connects the frontal lobe, the frontal eye fields, the intraparietal sulcus, and the visual cortex. Let's start with Van Gogh's irises. It hangs in the Getty Museum in LA. This swirling garden explodes with vibrant emerald, sage, and deep olive greens surrounding delicate blossoms. The hypnotic landscape restores the DAN after stress, poor sleep, or long screen time. Van Gogh provides the same benefits as a peaceful walk in nature without the mosquitoes. Next, let's experience the lush, velvety emerald of Van Eyck's Arnolfini Portrait. Painted way back in 1434, it hangs at the National Gallery in London. Luminous green tones recharge your DAN, enhancing detailed-oriented focus, logical reasoning, and memory consolidation. The incredible precision of the fabric pulls your brain deep into clear thinking, and it improves the left hemisphere connectivity for better logical reasoning and language processing. And most of all is Henry Rousseau's The Dream. It's the most green of all. It hangs at the MoMA in New York and delivers a true green brain immersion, washing away digital fatigue and lifting mental fog. Dense jungle foliage, emerald, lime, rich forest greens, they all create a hypnotic wilderness that overwhelms the senses in the best way, restoring attention and delivering a clear-headed mental reset. Green isn't just calming, it's cerebral rocket fuel. Next time your focus fades, gaze at these green-dominated masterpieces for an instant boost.